Roblox installer not working fix. Roblox installer cannot continue installation. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you're going to fix the Roblox installer issue. Now, if you come to Roblox download over here, it basically downloads a certain installer for you, okay? Now, in the case you're getting an error that says that the installer cannot establish a good connection or the installer is not working, so in that case, what you are going to do for yourself is you're going to make sure to go ahead and obviously reinstall the installer. Or if that doesn't work, you can install it using a different browser because sometimes the browser's cache memory messes around with things as well. Now, after all of those steps, if it still gives you an issue, then all you're going to need to do is you're going to go ahead on run, okay? Just write run in your search bar and you're going to write percentage temp percentage. You're going to enter that, open this up, and you're going to delete all the cache memory files over here. Okay, these are temporary memory files that aren't really any benefit to your PC. So just delete all these and that should fix things for you because this has a lot of caches and temporary files that are leading your Roblox or Roblox servers or installers to slow down. So once you delete this, things are going to be good to go from there. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.